Welcome back to Us in the Hot. And una go notice from the way we say, I don't they vibrate. Say the talk they pepper me for body. I don't know about Nkubi own, and they talk the way when the team be. What thing they discuss now the appetizer first, and the be like say the appetizer don't come they turn the main food. Say our army come out yesterday night talk say they don't see 293 women inside Sambisa forest. And some people come and talk say this one a good thing. Say the army they work, but other people can't look at them with one kind eye. Say 293 people there inside Sambisa all these days, and they don't know before. All of a sudden, after election, after things don't happen, they can't come out. Say monkey and they inside. Now what will they discuss on top of Us in the Hot? Now you need the break. I hope say you don't recover, because I'm about to. I get military background. Make I don't even call it. He get for military. Get what they call scorch earth method. If I use them, enter you now, you go know. You go know. Because you there they talk. I don't want to talk all these days. So then they call me from different parts. They tell me, say, Chukwudi, take it easy. We know how things is going in this country. Take it easy. And they calm down, they take them. But today, Nigeria must hear.
Who will they take them easy with?
And they take them easy with you and everybody when they out here.
No, if they take them, not just bring me, say they take them easy. Look, as a matter of fact, I am giving it to you the way you want it.
I can see it in your eye.
I am giving it to you the way you want it.
You need,
and I still stand on the fact, say, I still stand on the fact, say, the monkey hand where they inside the kidnap of these girls come from now.
293 women inside Sambisa forest.
You talk as if
Sambisa,
what are you saying?
Forest not be guarding, you know.
What are you saying?
Oyibo people come with their experience.
What are you saying?
You know what? Nkubi, he pay me say you know.
Now the people know the ground of what they do. Go fit dey carry assault. What are you saying?
He pay me say you no go command.
If I go command,
our Nigerian army for 1 year plus. They don't position themselves. They look at Sambisa forest with intelligence, everything. He get what they call reconnaissance mission. Where we say drone go fly over the forest. They don't see one single movement. Why he be say this kind of thing go happen inside Borno State? And you want them to say the governor no. Nkubi, Nigerians must hear the truth. I will continue to talk. Una won't silence me. I don't go agree. I don't talk. Una won't silence. I don't go agree. I go talk.
See.
After election, 293 women. After election,
that is where the question should be coming from. That is where the question should be coming from. Let me now put it to you. Say, and what if? And what if?
You don't talk what if since Monday. I will not agree you talk this what if.
Hold on. What if say, let's say, put it this way. And what if say, okay, Oga President look and say, if Oga Muhammad Buhari enter, and he can't investigate this Chibok Girls, can't say somehow say our own monkey hand they there. Now we they behind everything. You know, say they investigate, you go turn table.
What if the Borno governor look and finish say we don't keep them for over 1 year now, and we don't make them look like say Oga President don't really do anything. He don't lose the election. Make we release them. What if?
Chukudi, I no go agree with you.
Nkubi, I will not agree with your own. You must agree with my own. I will not agree. You will agree with my own.
Do you know why I will not agree with you?
Why will you not agree?
Because as the president of the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, you have every right to decide the fate of the state.
As the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, democracy. Is he a miracle worker?
Wait, hold on.
Is he a magician? Is he a spirit?
On the ground, say
you
don't apply the first partial state of emergency, no work. You apply the second one. When you know, say because the governor is not working effectively and he's not respecting your orders, what are you supposed to do as Mr. President?
The former governor of Adamawa State, Moritala Nyako.
What are you supposed to do?
The man writes letter.
What are you supposed to do?
Say Oga President, they organize things for not to pursue people, to keep people inside not. Here Jirika, a court cap give you. You don't go command, you don't go understand.
For such past old governor to come and make that statement. You sure see monkey hand no dey there.
Which old governor? Now he be the governor at that time.
Now,
of Adamawa State.
He's old now.
He got that letter.
For him to come and make that statement. You sure say monkey hand no dey there.
Who be the monkey hand?
That is the question we should be asking you.
It is your monkey hand.
It is your own monkey hand.
What is a monkey hand?
You people have a bigger monkey hand.
A
suspected hand.
What is a monkey hand?
Monkey hand is a suspected hand.
A monkey hand is a suspicious hand.
Suspected hand.
Your own hand is the monkey hand.
That is it. You have the bigger hand.
Our hand is the good hand.
Stretch out your hand.
Oga President, use your hand.
Stretch out your hand. Let me see.
See my hand. My hands are clean.
Stretch it out.
My hands are clean.
No, stretch it out.
Don't command me to stretch your hand.
Stretch out your hand.
Don't stretch me to command any hand.
Stretch out your hand now.
Which command?
No, stretch it out this way.
Don't command me to stretch my hand.
I'm not commanding you. Please, Chukwudi, stretch out.
I will not stretch my hand.
Because you know your hand is longer.
Because I don't know what you are doing.
Because
I don't know what
the
you are
fact
doing.
your hand is longer shows how long you people deceive people.
What are you saying?
Of course, that is what it is.
Now una monkey hand dey inside this soup.
You only
fellow Nigerians, make una hear me.
Nigerians over something when Nigerians don't look from their own church mind. People they cry, say, may not bring back our girls. Nigerians don't they cry, say, may not bring back our girls. Everybody, international body don't they cry, may not bring back our girls. Chukwudi, what is Mr. President doing about it?
Nkubi 293 girls after election. 293 women after election.
Investigate.
This same Sambisa.
This same Mr. President.
This same Sambisa forest. This same Sambisa forest when we say Oyibo people with their intelligence, they don't do reconnaissance mission, fly plane on top. They
no be this same America. No be this same America. When talk say we don't agree sell arm to us.
They don't see one
question you should be
bushmeat.
asking yourself.
Everybody abandon the government of Goodluck Jonathan. Say no, this man is not serious.
I stand on the fact that
and after election,
Mr. President, Oga President no do, you know doing work the way it's supposed to.
Because now he make una go arrange all these girls.
It is a two-way thing.
Is that why you people?
The problem is from you people.
Or the problem is from you people.
Mr. President not doing work as Mr. President.
Fellow Nigerians, make una chukma for this matter.
It's as simple as that.
I stand on the truth.
Look, no matter what Nigerians say, no matter what, I still stand on the fact say Mr. President has not done enough to prove to us that look, that these girls have been freed. He has not proven to us that he's in charge of the country.
What about the governor of the state? The governor of the state, Nkubi. I don't know this matter now. Make we take Oga Abasi. Oga Abasi, they call us from Sokoto. I know say Oga Abasi, they Sokoto. You know,
hold on,
Oga Abasi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Abasi.
Oga Abasi, save me, 293 girls after election. Hey, inside Sambisa.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Abasi.
Okay, una well done. Oh.
Thank you.
God bless you now.
Thank you.
You see, these 293 women where they don't find. You get as it be, oh.
Thank you. Who put them there? Oh, hey, Nigerians.
We they see monkey hand.
That is why you should be asking the people in government where the monkey hand come from.
Allow him to land.
Nkubi, Nkubi, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
If you have been following trend of events, do you know that there was a time President Jonathan said Boko Haram people should come for dialogue? Do you know who they presented as their representative, as their spokesman?
Are they here?
They presented this man now, who is our president-elect, say he should talk for them, he should represent them. And if you watch now, you will see that since after this election, you know they hear bombing, no they aggressive again.
Thank you.
We know say Boko Haram don't go down. This one they are doing now is just to confuse us. We know say Boko Haram don't finish already. You understand? You know they hear Abuja, this and that, throwing bomb now. They don't cool down. Very soon those Chibok girls go just surface from nowhere again.
Oga Abasi. Tell them. Oh.
They cool down right from when Mr. President extended that election this into 6 weeks. Now that time they begin to address the issue. That is why we should be asking the people in government, say, where is the problem from?
Allow Oga Abasi to talk. Don't disturb him. Oga Abasi, you see what you don't cause now.
What did I cause? What did I cause? What is wrong in what I have said? Oga Abasi talk say, look, say he don't they come down. I call the tell say, look, he don't they come down right from when Mr. President extended that election date to 6 weeks.
Now it was just come out inside Sambisa forest. Where are these all these days?
Yes, this is the moment for me to convince Nigerians that I'm in charge. Meanwhile, all this while, you were just leaving the whole issue for people to just be another. Ostino. Good morning, Ostino.
Good morning.
With a year, ride on.
Now, Nkubi they talk.
Yes, now me they talk, Augustino.
Nkubi is supposed to be good citizen now.
Thank you very much. I am a good citizen.
He's supposed to be good Nigerian.
I am a good Nigerian.
A good Nigerian doesn't lie.
Oh, you
Augustino, what did you talk now?
Nkubi,
ride on.
Doesn't lie.
Okay.
People like us, when we hate to now we be politicians. Me, I be number one person who hate politicians because lie full on our mouth.
The same way when you could they lie. I don't lie, but Chukwudi can afford to lie because he don't lie to Nigeria.
Allow this man tell you the gospel truth.
Nkubi, hear me.
Are they here?
Me personally, I go see you to ICC court.
Oh.
Over waiting now.
Over adoption of those children because now you know where those children they.
Oh.
You do so that you go win election.
My hand is clean, oh. My hand is clean.
Now listen, now Nkubi. If you, I know say your legs self clean. I know say your legs self clean. I see your legs say clean like an angel. Oh.
Okay.
But I just tell you, say now you do those things. Carry those guys keep there. Make you go spoil Chukwudi government. You do and make you spoil Chukwudi government so that if you enter, they'll call you good Samaritan. Nkubi, remember that in 2011, now you talk say you go make this country ungovernable to anybody who win election if no be you.
Who talks so?
Now Nkubi.
Okay.
And Nkubi talks so say you go make this government ungovernable for anybody who win election.
No, but the same Nkubi they elect for power. Now you try to say maybe that statement is false.
Chukwudi go enter government now so you go responsible. Why Boko Haram want to make you represent them for negotiation?
Oga Ostaino, you don't make plenty points. If we allow you continue, Nkubi, you go confuse am.
If you allow me to continue,
Oga Ostaino, thank you very much. Abeg, Nkubi, you don't hear am.
Chukwudi.
The full Nigeria.
Before let me now declare to Nigeria that look,
to Benue, to
I am
Anambra.
clean and clean. My hand is clean of any accusation leveled against me. I know nothing about Chibok girls. That's why I said, let us ask these people. Look at them here. Ask them where have they kept the Chibok girls all this while. Though we never still see them, but make we ask them. Kunle, I beg answer to that. Good morning, Kunle.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Good morning.
Yes, with the year right on.
Okay. Nkubi.
Yes.
Nkubi.
At the year, Oga Kunle.
How many times I call you?
Now 2 times.
Would they see your hand, oh?
Our hand out.
Nigerians.
Our hand has clean hands, eh?
You know, say this issue of this thing, where would they talk? Understand now? Now, when I put them there, understand now? Now, don't get waiting I want, say, now don't release them. You know what they say? As you there for East or Southwest, do you think another person will come from another region and organize crime?
Thank you very much, oh. Thank you very much, oh.
For over 4 years. Understand now? If someone comes to your side now, your region now, and organize a crime there, understand, for years, do you think that the secret will not expose? Understand now? No, let's reason together. Understand now? Do you remember there's one of a senator elect now from Kaduna State? If you watch a Focus Nigeria like 2 years plus, understand now? When he was saying that, he said he knows these people that if Mr. President want to dialogue, they can take him to them. This I'm talking of Shehu Sani, the senator elect now.
Thank you very much.
That is a set to ourselves. Understand now? If this man have hand in this, understand, the security go maybe if Mr. President has hand in there, understand now, the thing go don't expose for long, not be today. Understand now? Nobody will come to your region now, organize the crime for long, and the thing, no, you don't go see some no go come out. You must come out. Understand now? But this is what they say, we just thank God for the peace. Understand now? Say, you understand? We thank God for the peace now.
Of course, yeah, we thank God for the peace.
So,
I'll still create, make them find way. Make them find way. Find where these girls they release them.
Oga Kunle, thank you very much. I beg, tell Kaduna people make them watch as still they hot because we dey talk the truth from different part of the story on top of here. Nkubi, what do you want to hear?
What is it I don't want to hear?
From Sokoto to Ogun,
Chukwudi,
to Kaduna,
Chukwudi,
even Moses where they call us from Oshogbo now.
Wait,
everybody
now
they tell you the truth. Oga Moses, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Moses.
I beg, tell Nkubi, tell him.
Tell him
morning.
the truth.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Mr. Nkubi.
Are they here?
Well done, no.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, sir.
Nkubi.
Yes.
I not just know I want to tell you.
Okay,
you know what
yeah.
happened? Una don't win election. Una carry those girls put for there.
Hey, Nigerians.
You hear me too?
Oga Moses, why they talk like
Hey.
this?
You hear me?
I think say you go talk, say somehow their own monkey and they there.
You think, say?
No. See, the thing is that some monkey and the inside.
Thank you very much.
We know where the monkey has to come. We know where the monkey has to come. How you go tell me, say, you the rule country? I mean, you the rule state. You be the governor of the state. And they will call kidnap some girls under your canopy.
Over 1 year.
Turn down.
Over 1 year.
Turn down. Eh?
Over 1 year.
Hello,
over 1 year.
Inside the same state, we can't see 293 women inside Sambisa forest.
Hold on.
Hey!
On that one again. On that one, can Nigeria soldiers get experience past this thing? US soldiers. All those ones, they come, they not see any human before.
They not see one bushmeat inside Sambisa. One bushmeat. They talk am. They talk am.
After we win election, in only 1 week, they see the children.
Hey! Nkubi, answer the question. Everybody is telling you. Everybody is telling you.
Look at all the Boko Haram people they don't catch. Where they ask me to confess. You don't forget with the mission. You don't forget.
Right on.
My remind you the mission.
Talk now the air.
Okay. When even they want to analog, when good luck calls this guy, who tell the corner, Chicago. When they call Chicago, who go represent them? Buhari.
No.
Elected governor.
No, that is a very big lie. That is a fallacious lie.
Oga Moses, you don't talk well, but...
Thank you very much, Oga Moses.
It can't be like say he talk, but you they talk, but it can't be like say he talk, can't they go down.
Thank you very much, Oga Moses.
Categorically say, Oga Muhammad Buhari no
represent anybody.
He don't also come and talk say, he no sabi them.
He no know them.
The
And he don't also assure Nigerians say, he go make sure say, this fight of terrorism for Nigeria, he not go give room to Ramator. That is what he has said.
We go Abuja.
Good morning, Oga Igu.
Good morning, Oga. Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Good morning.
Oga Nkubi.
I dey hear, right on. I know Snami go call.
That direct to you.
Yes, as usual.
See, they say, now rat when he inside house, now they go call the outside, say, food they made a control.
Thank you very much.
Get me? Oga Chukwudi. See, I know you, the teacher when he teach you, and the lecturers when he teach you, they go be proud of you. Say,
this is why my own teachers go be proud of me.
The military school where you go, the small this thing where you get, the knowledge you get, they go be proud of you. Any you day, they go be proud of you. Oga Nkubi, you, they go be proud of you, but you are a controversial man. You know, you are a controversial man right from time. When I know you, you are a controversial man. See, which state you come from? Which state you come from?
Forget where I come from. Just talk, state your point.
Okay. Then now look now. If something happen for your state, who be the first person where they go first? Where people go first make noise to? Oh, like maybe as I come from Delta State now, there's something they call kidnap 300 girls from my state. Who be the first person where they
now Uduaghan will first go meet now.
No, so you know
Uduaghan, but then if the matter don't come past Governor Uduaghan level, who go come intervene?
Allow this man talk.
Wait first now. Who could be wait first? See, as he said, they will call Uduaghan first. So we want them to Uduaghan not go do anything first before they go relate to this thing. See, everybody they make noise. Who don't make noise? Say, may they go carry the principal of the school. May they can't afford television. May they can't answer questions. Who don't make noise? May they go carry the principal. Nobody. Everybody they say that the governor. After I don't win, who they rule that state now? People they rule that state. After I don't win the election finish, they see get the first forest. Wait 40 people don't patrol. They don't see one rat.
Oga Igo, thank you very much. You don't make very important points. Now see that talk when you talk. Now we dey stand on top. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
our people waiting for us. When I say the discussion, the thing they hot, they go. We go quickly rush, enter inside break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot.
If you say we'll get call quickly, Chukwudi, no first they cut them. Evie, they call us from Uyo. Good morning, Evie.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Yes, good morning.
I won't comment on this issue now they discuss.
Okay, right on, quickly.
We will not be faster than our shadow when they make comments.
Okay.
Because right from onset when this Chibok Girls issue they come up, the other party they complain say the monkey and the inside soup from the other party. If you watch this thing right from time, they don't first make some comments say this same issue where they have to say how many those girls go come out for their yesterday. That last time they say those girls now from that state the governor know what they go on. But at the end of the day, I still believe they still send people during that time to go investigate without the knowledge of the governor where the people enter on top military men, on top men. They enter there, they check, they later bring report back. The governor was even surprised that he was not even informed.
Thank you very much.
At the end of everything, when they go back, they find out say even some governors are not going to mention them, they will make comment on telly that there's something wrong with that state, that the governor is aware of that, those issues.
Oh!
And they discover that these girls were missing true. Did you think your world and even all these women, where they move up and down, even this our former minister of education, when they move up and down, they make sure this issue of these Chibok girls and all those things. You think that she go just talk on her own?
Thank you very much.
Just perform all those things. These girls, everybody now don't believe. Even you yourself and me, we believe these girls were missing.
Thank you.
When they don't trace everything about it, and they discover these girls, they are not from the hands of those people. You don't just jump to a conclusion that these people, that the governor, people from the state, they are the one that is behind all these things.
Thank you very much, Ogaivi.
The issue came up at the beginning when these other PDP people, they want to politicize this thing. They don't want to come out fully and let everybody to work.
Ogaivi, thank you very much. That is you don't make strong points.
When the APC people, they were stretching their hand, requesting for us of fellowship for them to work with them to look for these people.
Thank you very much, Ogaivi.
I saw that in life. So if we conclude now, say they see 293 girls yesterday, we don't know the way, but let me give you one instance now. This Boko Haram don't stop for how many years? They not stop them. It takes just only 6 weeks when they just 6 weeks.
Ogaivi, in fact,
lock them out.
Oh, I don't know. In fact,
I see them for net.
Thank you, Ogaivi. This one way talk now. If I get crown, I go play them for your head. Say this your crown. Don't crown up the whole matter. It don't talk on the way it be me for body, and I know so it be Chukwudi for body. Thank you very much, Ogaivi. You don't hear them, but meanwhile, make we enter this break. Will they come?